Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, nerve health. If you're dealing with nerve discomfort or simply want to give your nervous system some extra love, you've come to the right place. We're about to explore 9 incredible drinks that can help repair nerve damage and support overall nerve health. These drinks are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can make a real difference. So, grab your favorite mug, get comfy, and let's get started. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or new to the channel, I promise you'll find something valuable in today's video. Let's embark on this journey to better nerve health together. First up, we have green tea, a true powerhouse when it comes to nerve health. Green tea is brimming with antioxidants, those amazing compounds that fight off damage in the body. These antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and protect your precious nerves from harm. Plus, sipping on a warm cup of green tea is incredibly soothing. Not only does it provide a moment of relaxation, but it also supports overall well-being. The catechins in green tea are particularly effective in promoting brain health and cognitive function. So, make green tea a part of your daily routine for a healthier, happier you. Next, we have a drink that's as delicious as it is healing turmeric milk. Turmeric gets its vibrant color from a compound called curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory. Curcumin can actually help repair damaged nerves and ease those pesky nerve pain signals. Sprinkle some cinnamon on top for extra flavor and warmth. Now, who doesn't love a refreshing smoothie? This blueberry smoothie is packed with antioxidants that specifically target brain and nerve health. Blueberries are like tiny gems of goodness, protecting your nerves from oxidative stress. Blend them up with your favorite yogurt and a splash of almond milk for a delicious treat. Chapter 4: Soothing Ginger Tea. Let's talk about ginger tea, a go-to remedy for nausea. But did you know it's also fantastic for your nerves? Ginger has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can calm those irritated nerves and reduce pain signals. It's like a warm hug for your nervous system. Chapter 5: Tranquility in a Cup Chamomile Tea. When stress and anxiety start to take a toll on your nerves, chamomile tea is here to the rescue. Chamomile has a natural calming effect, easing tension and promoting relaxation. It's like a gentle lullaby for your mind and body, soothing those frayed nerves. Chapter 6: Beetroot Juice Power. Don't let the vibrant color fool you. Beetroot juice is a powerhouse for nerve health. Beets are rich in nitrates, compounds that improve blood flow, including to your nerves. This boost in circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to your nerves, helping them heal and function at their best. Another fantastic smoothie option is this nutrient-packed spinach smoothie. Spinach is overflowing with vitamins and minerals, including those vital for nerve function. It's like a multivitamin for your nervous system, supporting healthy nerve communication and repair. Let's give a round of applause for almond milk, a delicious and nerve-loving beverage. Almonds are a great source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in nerve health. Magnesium helps regulate nerve impulses, preventing those uncomfortable spasms and twitches. Last but not least, we have peppermint tea, a refreshing and soothing drink that can work wonders for nerve pain. Peppermint contains natural compounds that create a cooling sensation, providing relief from nerve discomfort. It's like a gentle breeze calming down those overactive nerves. So there you have it, 9 incredible drinks that can nourish and support your nervous system. Each of these beverages is packed with nutrients that can help you feel more relaxed and focused throughout your day. Remember, taking care of your nerves is essential for overall health and well-being. If you enjoyed these tips, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness inspiration. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest tips, recipes, and wellness advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and take care.